Okay. So wait, Rhonda, we're getting you a different, we're gonna get you a different chair. You're gonna go flying over there. Okay, this is what happens when we double dog, snake, alligator, tiger her to jump off. Now wait, I'm coming down, Rhonda. She's gonna dive off. My sister is going to dive off of the, here she goes. Here she goes. Oh my God. Whoa!
I don't have to now. Now I know how deep it is.
Go, dive! You guys started it. I'm stuck in here. I'm videoing. Okay, I'm like stuck. Wait, here she goes. What I won't do for pictures. And Rhonda, it's a 1, 2. Whoa! That was a belly flop. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Oh my gosh. Now she's gonna die. That was so funny. Okay, fall back and do a snow angel.
What?
Fall back. Oh, I've never seen anything so funny. And I'm stuck. I don't know. That's even funnier. I'm like seriously stuck. That's so funny. Watch her sink. Woohoo! Run, Rhonda! Run across the big Here she goes. Oh my, that's so funny. Well, I have to tell you something. It's not frozen here, and I'm stuck. Hang on.